In our previous video, we selected the content that we wanted to have in our final outline. We went back and perused all of the information that we had decided to keep. We reviewed some sections. We added content from other articles. Next, we'll generate the outline itself. This now is the outline that you would use to either send to your writer, freelance or in-house, or use as a reference for yourself as you're starting to write the article. So what I see here, these are my content groups that I created. As well, what you will see is annotation and citation for the articles that were kept during the process. So each one of these sections you will see is cited here. So as you're writing your article, building out your article, we keep track of citations to make things much easier for you. And as you're giving proper citation in your end product article. So to get your content, it's very simple. We just download here. And quickly, I will show you what this looks like. And what I have now is a content outline and research brief that I can give to my writer to create the content with the sections, with the behavior that I want. So thank you very much for listening to the tutorials. If you have any questions at all, please email us at humans@untabit.com, and we'll be more than happy to answer any questions that you might have. Have a great day.